guys, and welcome back to my channel. What a treat we have today. You guys know I love my Hermes bags, but this particular bag I have been wanting for about 6 months, and it was one of those bags that at the very beginning I was like, why would I want this? It's fabric, it's not leather. Well, it's not entirely leather, and I always like to get bang for my buck when it comes to my bags. And I thought to myself, do I really want to pay that much for a fabric bag? The answer is yes, and I have it here. I will blame Kim K for this bag because I have seen her scout this bag around in various versions. I've seen 2 or 3 versions that she holds, that she carries. This is a very similar one to one that she has, but not exactly the same. Let's get right into it. I received a beautiful Hermes dust bag. I also received the key and the lock in this, and the little clochette as well here. And I will show you guys that. I didn't put it on, so full disclosure, I actually filmed this video yesterday. That's right, this is take 2 of this video, and all the footage was on the wrong setting on the camera, silly me. So it was really bad quality and I couldn't use any of the footage, and I actually unwrapped it on camera, so now the bag is unwrapped, so apologies guys, but you will see. And I will put a clip, an insert clip. I'll try and put an insert clip of the wrapping that was on this, but basically all the leather was wrapped and the straps and everything was wrapped. Here we go. This is the Hermes Her bag. What I love about this bag, and it really had to grow on me, because at the beginning, as I mentioned, I didn't think anything of this bag. I thought, it's a bit of a nothing bag. But the more and more I saw it, I just love how effortless this looks. The fact that it has the fabric here, it just makes it look really toned down. It makes it look great for traveling, if you're going to the coast, or if you're traveling on a plane, and you just got a casual outfit on. That's why I'm wearing t-shirt and jeans today, so you guys can see this with a simple outfit. I think this bag would be a great uni bag for someone, you know, in school, at uni. It's got that kind of element to it, but it also has a lot of refined detail. It's got an elegant style without too many leery logos. There is the Naomi Peris here on this silver buckle. I believe this is the 31 centimeter size. I think that's the size of this. The back is absolutely gorgeous. I have actually put the lock there because I think that's where it's supposed to go. I don't know, but I thought that was kind of cool. I actually might put my keys there when I'm actually carrying this bag around. There is a beautiful zipper pocket. And this top section here and the handles are all made of leather. And it is really refined, guys. That's one thing I will say about this bag. Now, if you've been watching my videos for a while, you know the type of bags that I like to get in. If you guys want to know where I got it, just hit me up on Instagram or head to my Instagram profile and you'll be able to get more details there. The first thing I will say about this bag, when I saw this bag, is it is super refined. So refined in the detail. What I mean is this leather is super tidy, it's super smooth. There is an indentation that Hermes are known for with around their flaps and around their bags, and it's this indentation like an embossed line that goes all the way around like a border, which makes this bag look super refined. This one has beautiful piping around the leather as well, even around the strap. It's got it in a dark chocolate brown. This is a really dark chocolate brown color on top, and then you're looking at like a khaki, brown khaki type of a color down the bottom. What would I call this color? I'd probably call it a dark khaki color but it is more on the brownie side. I hope that's coming across on screen. It's looking pretty true on screen from what I can see from reality. So I think it is absolutely gorgeous. It has this pole that goes all the way across, which holds this top handle, and on the ends of the pole there is this gorgeous Hermes Paris ring. On the back you've also got, underneath where I've put this lock, you've also got the Hermes Paris made in France just under here. Really refined logo. Even the zippers, guys, all the zippers have Hermes stamped into the zipper, and they also have a leather pull which also has that embossed trim on it. Really super refined, beautiful, smooth zipper, exactly what we want to see. So the straps just sort of slide into this metal piece, and on one of the sides there's actually a hole. So I don't know if you can see that. There's a hole on one side of the strap, and that I'm pretty sure is so that you can lock the bag. So you can put the lock on the other side like this. Let's just pretend like it is closed with both straps in, and then you pull this through and you put the lock there, and then the strap can't come out. Does that make sense? So it doesn't come out, and then you can get to the inside of the bag. So let's open the bag. The leather here is absolutely beautiful. This really reminds me of, you know, saddle clubs and country clubs and, you know, equestrian kind of thing. And I think because that's sort of what Hermes did back in the day. You know, they did the saddles and all that kind of stuff. Really good quality equestrian wear for horses and carriages and stuff like that. So this really is a reflection of that, and that's kind of what I love about it. When you open it up, it's basically a bucket. So this, because it's fabric and it's got that relaxed kind of feel, even with the other Hermes bags that you find, like the Kelly and the Birkin, there's not really a lot of pockets in those. You really have to buy inserts. But this one really does need an insert because it is slightly soft down the bottom. Slightly. Now I say slightly because it's moldable, it's fabric. But in saying that, this fabric is really thick and it's quite stiff. So it does hold its shape. If you don't press it in, it'll hold its shape. Unlike the Chanel 19s, okay? The Chanel 19s, you touch it, they collapse. This has a little bit of stiffness, but I would still recommend an insert for this. And I will be shopping for an insert for this pretty soon. I'm still trying to find the best insert company, guys. I am still on the hunt. I've been through 3 companies already. I'm still looking. The most recent company I've found for inserts have been great, but their time frame has just been really, really long. So I'm trying to find someone that can do them a little bit quicker. So inside is a big bucket like mentioned, and it also comes with this little pouch. Unfortunately, I actually don't think it's detachable because it's sort of hooked into a ring inside this, but it can't be kind of undone because on the other side of the ring there's this little pole thing. Now, the one flaw that I can see, I mean, I'm not familiar with these bags all that much, so hard for me to judge. However, I will say that this strap here that attaches this little pouch has different piping on it than the piping of the bag. The piping of the bag is like a chocolate brown color. The piping on this strap is more of a green, like a dark green, muddy swamp green type of a thing, a gray green. So to me, I would probably think that that's supposed to be the same. But no biggie, that's inside the bag. So, and I can always remove that, but if you remove it, it's removed permanently. I kind of feel like, you know, does it really need to be attached? I don't know. I'd like it separate, probably, so I can take this out. The detailing, guys, and the stitching, even these holes, you know, all these holes on the loops on the outside where the strap goes in, they're super refined, really, really refined. The embroidery is just spot on. I cannot see a fault in any of these. This is really, really a beautiful, beautiful bag. I'm just closing this, guys, and because I'm not familiar with it, it's taking a bit longer than normal. So there was no pockets inside, guys. There was only that little pouch, separated pouch thing. Okay, here we go. I think I'm going to get a lot of use out of this. I think this bag is absolutely gorgeous, really understated. I'm glad I chose this colorway because I don't have anything in this colorway, and I think I'm going to get a lot of use out of it. So what do you guys think of this bag? I'm showing you guys here, I'm styling this bag with a very, very simple t-shirt and jeans and a white shirt outfit, because this is how I envision this bag. I envision it for Sunday brunch. I envision it running around town on my days off. It's a real casual style bag, so I really feel like, I mean, it could be dressed up as well. I see this with an all black outfit looking absolutely gorgeous, but I think it looks better worn casually with jeans. So here, guys, I'm holding it top handle. I absolutely love this bag held top handle. You can see Kim K doing the exact same thing. She made me do this, and she always holds it top handle, but it can also be worn in the crook of the arm. You can sort of see I have larger arms than most, so it goes nearly up to my elbow, so that is going to be quite versatile. The shoulder strap is great as a shoulder strap. I think it is the perfect length. I am a shorty, so keep that in mind when you're looking at where it's actually sitting on me. And also, it can be worn crossbody in an emergency. And I say in an emergency because it is a little bit short for a crossbody, I'm not going to lie. So if you guys are tall or taller than me, it's probably not going to work for you guys. But because I'm a bit of a shorty, I can wear it crossbody. It is on the tight side, so I'd probably only do that if I really, really have to. Otherwise, I'm just going to hold it like this. Well, there you go, guys. What do you guys think of my very new Hermes Her bag? And do you like the colorway that I've chosen? I wanted something quite neutral. I didn't want the all over camel colored one because I felt that that was too casual. I know that that color can be a little bit hard to dress up from my experience of other bags. So I wanted a color that I could dress up and dress down, and I didn't want it to be all black. So what do you guys think of this colorway? I hope you like this bag. This one is in, I believe, the 31 centimeter size. If I haven't mentioned that already, I think I have. And I will be grabbing an insert straight away because here you can squash the bag. And I just want to sort of keep its shape a little bit. I know that if I fill this up, it's still not going to open. The bottom's still not going to open. So I just want to do what I normally do and just keep the shape by putting an insert in. There you go, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I am absolutely in love. I think I'm going to get a lot of use out of this. I say that all the time, but you know, I do have a lot of handbags, so they're kind of impossible to all use at once. Let me know if you'd like to see more Hermes bags. I am starting my little collection of Hermes bags because I love how elegant and simple and sophisticated their style is. Please join me in my next video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, do that now. I do videos every single week on handbags. And head to my Instagram for more handbag inspiration. I would love your thoughts because I'm always looking for your feedback and whether you like the bags that I'm showing you and if you want to see something different. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.
So yeah, but I already know better. I'm a go-getter and I got me, I'm good. I'm head over shoes on hardwood. For me, you know I wrote the book. I'm moving